morning, everybody. Namaskar.
Good morning.
Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. We start with that.
Jai.
I welcome all of you for this Independence Day program. Our study center children have done a lot of mehnat on this, the dances and everything. So I have a very good message for them, which we all can sing together. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम।
सो बच्चे लोग, आज आप लोगों का खास दिन है। तो आप लोगों को देखने के लिए हम तैयार हुए हैं। मला मराठी एवढी छान येत नाही म्हणून मी हिंदी मध्ये बोलते, थोड़ा बहुत मराठी भी मैं बोलूंगी। आप लोगों को एक बहुत रिक्वेस्ट है, पेरेंट्स को भी रिक्वेस्ट है, बच्चों को भी रिक्वेस्ट है। हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए इतना करते हैं, आप लोग उसको सीरियसली लीजिए, अच्छी पढ़ाई कीजिए। हमारी प्रेसिडेंट गौरी मैडम अभी इवन मोबाइल्स देने के लिए सोच रहे हैं, जैसे आप लोगों को पता है, जिनके पास नहीं है, जिनको जरूरत है, तो मोबाइल भी अच्छे से यूज कीजिए और पढ़ाई कीजिए। पर एजुकेशन के सिवा इस दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है। आपको अगर कुछ बनना है तो यू हैव टू हैव गुड एजुकेशन इन लाइफ। जब तक आप एजुकेटेड नहीं हो, कुछ फायदा नहीं है। अच्छा, आज का इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, तो एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि सब लोग अपने दिल से स्वतंत्र हैं। इंडिपेंडेंस डे माने स्वतंत्रता दिन, राइट? 75th स्वतंत्रता दिन है। हम लोग सब अपने दिल से इंडिपेंडेंट है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हम लोग सब जुड़े हुए हैं। एक दूसरे से जोड़ के काम करना है, एक दूसरे को मिल बांट के काम करना है, जो हम इतने सालों से सीख रहे हैं और कर रहे हैं। रंजना मैडम, हेलो, वेलकम। आर योर किड्स रेडी? ओके। एक और लाइन दूसरी याद आ गई, जो जिस देश में गंगा बहती है का गाना, सबको मालूम होगा ये गाना। होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहां दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी है, हम उस देश के वासी है जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। We are proud to be Indians. We are blessed to be Indians. मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज संस्कृत में भी आया था, लेकिन अपने बच्चों को संस्कृत आती नहीं है। लेकिन उसमें बोला गया है कि इवन भगवान ने बोला है कि जिस व्यक्ति को इस धरती पे जन्म मिला है, मतलब भारत में जन्म मिला है, दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड। और ये ह्यूमन बॉडी और ह्यूमन बर्थ घड़ी घड़ी नहीं मिलता है बच्चे। मैं बहुत वेदांतिक बात कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं सच कह रही हूँ, ह्यूमन बॉडी जल्दी जल्दी नहीं मिलता है। ह्यूमन बॉडी का मैक्सिमम यूज करना चाहिए। Am I right, Gauri ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ये body सब, I think all senior citizens who are knowing little bit of Vedant will agree, Sudha ma'am, Rajan ma'am, कि ये ह्यूमन बर्थ जल्दी जल्दी नहीं मिलता है। सो अच्छी पढ़ाई कीजिए, अच्छे नागरिक बनिए, अच्छे ह्यूमन बींग्स बनिए। आपके पास पैसा कम रहेगा तो चलेगा, लेकिन आपके पास अगर अच्छा दिल है, अच्छी वैल्यूज है, आप माँ बाप के अच्छे संस्कार है, तो आप दुनिया में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। और यही चाहिए बच्चों के लिए। आप लोग फ्यूचर जनरेशन हो, हम लोग अभी बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, हम लोग आपके हाथ में सब देके जाना चाहते हैं। तो आप लोग अगर अच्छा काम करेंगे, आप लोग अगर अच्छे बनेंगे, तो हम शांति से आंख बंद करके जा सकेंगे कि हमारी आगे की जनरेशन अब तैयार हो गई है। करेक्ट? सो विद दैट आई हैंड ओवर द माइक to Gauri ma'am, our president. She's been working very hard to get the name of WGU ahead, and she's giving support to me wholeheartedly. I'm really happy to be part of this team. The whole team is very nice, and I'm getting full support from everybody. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Gauri madam.
Thank you, Dr. Prabha ma'am. Our chairman of Studies Center, heartiest congratulations to Dr. Prabha Shah, chairman of Study Center, and the entire team, your committee members of Study Center. Congratulations for having this celebration today. A country's greatness lies in its undying idea of love and sacrifice that inspire the mothers of the race, was said by our great leader, Sarojini Naidu. So our respected chairperson, Dr. Prabha Shah, respected honorable trustees present, past presidents, past trustees, my managing committee members, office bearers, teachers, students, parents, invited guests, आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत तो डॉक्टर प्रभा शाह ने किया ही है, तो बहुत बहुत बधाई सबको. आज 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई. Friends, this is a glorious year, no doubt economically we are down, but it is a glorious because we are also celebrating the 7 Olympic medals which have come to our country. So we are proud of all those Olympians, the people who have really worked hard to bring glory to our country. So let's salute all of those sportsmen who have really come up, and it's a good example for our students that they will also participate in the sports and get glory to our country. Let's also salute to the soldiers who are on the borders and keeping us safe to stay. Let's salute to all frontline workers who in this difficult, challenging time also are working very hard to serve humanity, because without these frontline workers, our life would have been very difficult in the lockdown and otherwise. Coming to our WGU activities, Women Graduate Union is 106 years now, and we are rising up after the pandemic. Thanks to all the support I got from all the managing committee and members like Dr. Prabha Shah and others, and our seniors like Dr. Sudha, Sabita Chugani, also all other seniors, Suman Anand, Swaran Kohli, all our past presidents, everybody, our past trustees, they have been really supporting us to rebound.
Sunita ma'am, Mahajan ma'am.
So Sunita is in part of managing committee. These others are very senior and old.
I know, but she's very strong. I mean, she's helping us very,
Of course, she's helping all the managing committees. So with the activities, we have started with a scholarship, our study center, we have started with our consumer guidance, our vaccination center is going on, our working women's hostel is doing very well. Even during the pandemic time and lockdown, we were working. We have a program and fund drive committee, which is also coming up. So a lot of activities have started. We have started taking baby steps now and started working. Our trustees have started coming sometimes to the office, and I go sometimes. Our secretary is also going, and we have been started to get some donations and contribution from our members and from others. Today is a very wonderful day as we are going to inaugurate our 6 mobile phones, which we are going to give to our 6 students who are not able to attend the classes. So Akanksha, can you show those mobile phone? I want Dr. Prabha Shah to virtually inaugurate the donations, and virtually we will be showing it, and we will be later on.
The teachers have found out who all are in need and who all are
identified.
Teachers. Yeah, they have identified those students. You know, so Ranjana ma'am and Divya ma'am has.
Let's all be united and be together, be happy, support each other in this difficult time. Well, difficulties are like waves. As we come closer to them, we are going to overcome these challenges. Today, let's take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. And how can we value our nation? The best thing is to start with each of us. Educate our children. Our organization is educating our children, because once we educate our children, like Dr. Prabha Shah said, that they will educate our younger generation, then our nation will also grow. The difficult times will also go. Let your spirits fly high with the Indian flag today. Let there be freedom in your mind and body, faith in your words, and pride in your souls. And let's salute our nation. Today is an important day, and I would like to give tribute to some of our members, the pioneers who started. Mrs. Antoinette DeCosta, our late past president, who was the pioneer. I think it's almost 35 years now for our study center. I remember celebrating during our district governor Parimal's time, 25th year, and a lot of Lions had supported us to have this big celebration of Silver Jubilee. So I think now it is almost more than 30 years, 35 years. And our members like Antoinette, like Shibani is not well, but she also has been taking a lot of care of this organization of study center, Tanas, Tarapur. So all these people who are physically not present today to help or are not keeping well, or some of them we have lost. So we give tribute to them, and we must carry on the legacy of theirs, because they were the legends, and today if we don't carry on their legacy, it will be really unfair. So each of you all, I'm grateful to you all for supporting the study center and our WGO organization to carry forward the legacy of the last 106 years of the how hard our earlier senior members have done to bring up this big building of our study center, to bring up these activities, to build up our corpus so that we are able to serve the girl childs, the students to work and to study to whatever they want to. If they want to be PhD, if they want to be doctor, they want to be chartered accountant, we want to further empower them with further education. So I'm grateful to all the teachers and the students and the staff who have really taken a lot of efforts to make this today's program a success. I would once again like to note appreciation to Dr. Prabhasha for having taken up this post and really contributing so much. She has done great work, giving them books, compass boxes, and day to day noting their how the teachers can come and appreciate the teachers to work. And also there are a lot of others also who are helping teaching English, and also thank you to everybody. So I will end this note by saying Jai Hind to everybody, Jai Hind, and let us really start this new era after this pandemic, and let's pray that soon this pandemic will go, so everybody stays safe. Thank you very much, everybody. So now we are going to show some videos. We have greetings from our brand ambassador. So we'll be showing her greetings, Simran Shah, and also Tia, who was working for interning with WGU. She is also saying something. So once we finish that, then the teachers will take over.
Global Namaste to all the beautiful souls. My name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm truly honored and blessed to be the official brand ambassador for Women Graduates Union, which is an more than 100 years old organization. At the same time, it does everything to really empower the child, especially the girl child, at the same time give them scholarships up to the postgraduate level. And I am so blessed and thankful to Gauri Chhabria ji for having me as the brand ambassador. I take this wondrous opportunity as a brand ambassador to wish you all a 75th Independence Day celebration, where we are celebrating it in a very special way. So we have all these children who can't afford going to schools. At the same time, our organization and other organizations have been constantly helping them to give them opportunities where they can go to school. So all these lovely children who are rich by heart shall be performing on this very special day virtually for all of us, right from dance performances to singing performances. They're also going to speak to all of us along with their parents. They will be connected to us. So I'm going to take this wondrous opportunity of having my presence and spending the time with all these lovely children and their parents, and at the same time we are here to present them certificates, gifts and cash prizes. For all those who excelled in studies and excelled in all the different endeavors, we did love to do our best on behalf of the Women Graduates Union, and I'm truly blessed to be associated with all of you. I'm going to please request you all to kindly join us, be connected with us, and all we need is just smiles and applauses from you. So I'm going to share the link with you all pretty soon, or Advocate and the magnificent lady Gauri Chhabria shall do the needful. Thank you, Gauri ji, and to the entire organization of Women Graduates Union. It's absolutely my pleasure to be there to celebrate the 75th Independence Day with each and every one of you. Namaste and lots of love to all of you. Jai Hind.
Hello all, my name is Tia Sharma and I'm grateful to have been associated with the Women's Graduate Union and to address you all on the day of Independence Day. I got in touch with this NGO through the lovely Gauri Devi, who introduced me to the teachers of the school students of Women's Graduate Union. I thought it was important for them to have an extracurricular activity, and for my summer I wanted to spend time teaching them dance. Being a 16-year-old student in the IB who often uses dance as her escape, I can assure you that I knew that dance is a very good way to distract yourself from the lockdown laziness. I started taking classes with them every week Zoom पे, and initially थोड़े बच्चे shy थे, hesitant थे, but eventually लोगों को इतना मजा आने लगा. I saw some of the most confident and cheerful batch over here. I had a very good time teaching these kids, and slowly मेरा उनके साथ bond भी होने लगा, which made the experience even more gratifying. It's inspiring to see the work that Women's Graduate Union is doing for these kids, and I hope it continues to do so. I hope I can support you guys again in the future and help in any way that I can. Have a great Independence Day.
Thank you. So this was a greeting given to us by our brand ambassador Simran Ahuja and by Tia Shah. Tia Sharma. She's just a 16-year-old girl and she took very nice classes for all our children. We are grateful to both of them. Now I request the teachers, please come forward and take over. So this while I must thank the donors, and also to Dolly Sagar for contributing the mobile phone for our students. Thank you so much to our donors. I request the teachers to please take over.
हो मॅम.
Ranjana ma'am, welcome.
थँक्यू मॅम. आपल्या स्टडी सेंटरची चेअरपर्सन प्रभाषा, आपले गौरी मॅडम प्रेसिडेंट, त्यांना सर्वांना 15 ऑगस्ट स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आणि आज जे काही ऑनलाईन प्रोग्राम केलाय त्याच्यात मुलं आम्ही मॅडम सगळे इन्व्हॉल्व झालो. गेल्या वर्षी करताना आला हा प्रोग्राम. आज त्यांच्या सानिध्यामध्ये हा खूप सुंदर प्रोग्राम चालू आहे आणि खूप खूप त्यांना धन्यवाद पण, आणि 15 स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा पण. मी एवढंच बोलू इच्छिणार आहे की 15 ऑगस्ट आपण दरवर्षी साजरा करतोच मॅम. देशासाठी जे काही आपल्याला आपले जे काही क्रांतिकारक जे काही नेते होऊन गेले त्यांनी आपल्याला हे सगळं मिळवून दिलं, आणि त्यांना तर कोटी कोटी प्रणाम आहेत. आणि तुम्ही जे करता मुलांसाठी, तुमच्यासाठी ही आमच्या टीचरांकडून एक कडून सांगायचंय आता की बस हे आपला जे रोगाने आपला देश ग्रसला, बस त्याच्यातून याने व्हावं आणि पुन्हा आपलं जीवन जसं सुरळीत चालू होतं, जसं आपण एकाने येऊन सगळं काय आपलं काम ते व्यवस्थितपणे पार पाडावं. प्रभू जवळ एक विनंती, बस अजून काही नाही मॅम. पुन्हा एकदा 15 स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा सर्वांना. आणि पुढच्या कार्यक्रमची सुरुवात करू का मॅम?
हो, सुरुवात करा पुढच्या कार्यक्रम.
स्टार्ट.
मुलांनी स्टार्ट द एंटरटेनमेंट ऑफ ऑल द स्टुडंट्स. काय तुम्ही आता काय घेणार आहे नेक्स्ट?
आता मॅम स्पीच ठेवली आहे सिद्धी मर्चंडे म्हणून आपल्या स्टडी सेंटर मधल्या मुलांनी, आता मी पहिला त्याचं भाषण तुम्हाला प्रस्तुत करते.
व्हिडिओ टेप आहे तर सगळे एंटरटेनमेंट एकत्र आहे. So everybody now, I'm sure you all are eagerly waiting. So we will be seeing the entertainment program now.
My name is Siddhi Manoj Marchande. I am standard in it. My topic is स्वातंत्र्य दिवस. प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन को भारतवासी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 की वह सुनहरी आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई थी जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था. भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फैलाकर लोगों की गुलाम की जंजीरें तोड़कर वे बहुत प्रसन्न थे. तब से भारत बहुत उन्नति कर चुका था. लोग आज भी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बहुत उत्साह से मनाते हैं. भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री ने लाल किले पर झंडा लहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं. वे राष्ट्र को एकजुट रहने की तथा अपनी स्वतंत्रता बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं. लोग आज भी झंडा लहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं. इस दिन हमें अपना महान स्वतंत्रता दिवस सेनानी शहीदों का स्मरण करा जाता है. शहीदों का जय हिंद.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sakshi Jadhav. Today I am here to speak few words on Independence Day. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 74th Independence Day celebration. Just 74 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is century long. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives and freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors of our country are independent today. We celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to them. To those brave warriors, Independence Day is a national festival for India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning to all my respected teachers, guardians and dear friends. We have all gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of this Independence Day on 15 August. Many best wishes and congratulations to all of you. Today on this auspicious occasion, I have got the opportunity to address you all. Thank you very much for this.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हम वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ न हूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ न हूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, मेरे वतन, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
राष्ट्राचे चैतन्य तू नीती संपदांचे
Big hand to everybody. Congratulations. टीचर लोग तुम्ही काय ते गिफ्ट दाखवणार आहे काय करणार आहे काय मुलांना देणार आहे students have come and we have also arranged snacks for them since morning they have come today and so they are going to distribute and students who have excelled in studies and all the teacher log tumhi list please vacha and take hello teacher namaste so the prize distribution will continue.
Very nice, Ranjana ma'am. Everything was very nice.
Wow, see, this is how they are. So beautiful. They have given them all cash prizes, so they are there in the envelopes. They have excelled in their studies. Congratulations to all the students.
Ma'am, this is the cash distribution prize image, and this one is for the participant.
Wow, all gifts we have given them. Very good. Congratulations, children. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना अभिनंदन खूप चांगलं
व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड
अभ्यास करा चांगला सगळे.
This is our today's project. We have with us headmistress of the school, Meena Padwal, also here. Welcome you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, Meena Padwal. Welcome you. How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you very much for inviting me for this lovely program.
Welcome.
Ma'am, she is Siddhi Merchant Day.
Congratulations. We are giving them Samsung mobile, which is very expensive. चांगलं वापरा मुलं तुम्ही. तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही ते पॅकेज पण करून देणार आहे वर्षाचं.
शी इज आर्या माळी.
ओके. चांगले कपडे घालून आले सगळे, ऑरेंज पांढरे.
मॅम शी
छोटा पोरगा आहे.
आरुष पवार.
किती वर्षाचा आहे हा?
7 years मॅम.
त्याला मोबाईल वापरायला जमेल त्याला ना?
हो.
किती क्यूट आहे.
तो मॅम तो आहे त्याची बहीण दोघं जण यूज करणार आहे मोबाईल तो.
दोन्ही 2 in 1.
अच्छा. ते आणि त्याची बहीण. अच्छा.
सोनम बुंबारिया.
Okay.
This last one is Arya Mali.
We are really very grateful to Zia Mastaki's family, Zia Mastaki personally, and Dolly Sagar for contributing for the mobiles. Thank you so much.
There are more girls, Gauri, you noticed?
Yeah.
In education.
Actually, study center में boys भी है, but very few have participated. The girls are
more active.
Now we will have more students. We will have more students.
Yeah, I know.
So I think we have completed. So we will do the vote of thanks. Or before that, you want to have some open session? Anybody wants to say anything on this lovely day? Why don't you sum up something, Prabhasha? How do you find the students and all?
Yeah, the program was excellent. I congratulate Ranjana ma'am, Divya ma'am, and this lovely girl who is teaching them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. नाम क्या है उसका?
Thank you.
What is her name? Vijayta. So they really worked very hard. It really is a very nice program, and I'm feeling proud to be, in this WGU and study center member, like with you all. Really very happy. And now Ranjana ma'am and Divya ma'am, you have to encourage more students to come so that more people get the knowledge, So now that we are doing good work, we must have more and more children to get benefited out of it. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
I think anybody else wants to say anything?
Yeah, any of our members? Meena Padwalji, our guest is there. Ma'am, would you like to say? She's the headmistress of the school. Give some advice. आपल्या मुलाला काहीतरी मराठीमध्ये बोला आमच्या मुलांसाठी, त्यांचे पालक पण आहेत.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मी अभिनंदन करते सगळ्या टीचर्सचं. इतक्या सुंदरपणे त्यांनी केलं. आणि मिस्टर राजकोटने ते चांगल्या प्रकारे अगदी पिक्चराइज केलं, स्क्रीनवर आणलं. हेड्स ऑफ.
I forgot to thank. Sorry, I forgot to thank Kaustubh and the team. Akanksha, Kaustubh, sorry.
Right.
Go ahead. Yeah.
मुलांनो, खरोखर तुम्ही खूप चांगलं केलं. आमचं मार्गदर्शन, आमचे आशीर्वाद नेहमी तुमच्या बरोबर असतील. आणि टीचर्स, तुम्हाला कधी आमची गरज पडली तर गौरी मॅडमना सांगा. मॅडम नेहमीच तयार असतात आणि आम्ही त्यांच्या बरोबर फुल न फुलाची पाकळी त्यांच्या जोडीने आम्ही शेपूट म्हणून कार्य करू. नेहमी आम्हाला हाक मारा, आम्ही तुमच्या सेवेसाठी हजर असू. खूप चांगला प्रोग्राम आहे. असेच प्रोग्राम करत. ओके.
So daughter Sneha Padwal is assisting me in my writing my second book, and I'm also thankful to Dr. Sudhapadya, Dr. Sunita Mahajan, and also our Ranjana ma'am, our IFUA chairperson. They have been contributing for my book, so I'm really grateful. Meena, I'm grateful to Snehal Padwal. She's really, your daughter is helping me a lot and doing a great job. Anybody else wants to say? Any present people?
Yeah, I would like to say that this was a lovely idea of yours. You have pushed it very well. You and Prabha organized the thing, and it was really inspiring. I'm sure all the children are also inspired, and it's put in a lot of hard work to get this together. So thank you to the staff to get this together.
Thank you, Dolly. So nice.
Thank you, Dolly.
Anybody else would like to say anything on the Independence Day or on this coming?
I would like to say a little bit.
Yes, please, welcome.
So very happy to be part of this, and because of Gauri ma'am and Prabha ma'am's contribution, you have given them mobiles, so that has made them independent in the search of knowledge. So I hope they use it properly, don't misuse it. So students, please study well using all this. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahajan ma'am. Thank you. You have
Thank
been
you,
really
ma'am.
helping
Thank
us
you.
to give the proper and the best technical
Exactly.
mobile to them. So
You
have
helped us
really helped us a
technically
lot.
to choose the right type of mobile.
She's always helping
And
us.
most
Thank
of the
you.
work, let me tell you, most of the work for this is done by Gauri. I
No,
am
it's
just
a team work. Everybody does it.
in the sense,
Everybody has
this,
been helping.
she has been
I'm pushing them. I'm just telling them.
She has
to
been
do it.
pushing me also. So that was a great thing, you know. I'm feeling younger and energetic now because of Gauri.
Anybody else?
Really
Anybody else wants to speak? So should we
Yes,
go for the
Gauri,
vote of
I'd
thanks?
just like to also thank you for your leadership on this and for making this a very special Independence Day to share it with these wonderful children. And that was a wonderful, wonderful program. And I think the gift that you've given them is not just a phone, but an opportunity to open their world to better education and other, the whole internet world. So I think that's really wonderful. Thank you, and Independence Day greetings to everyone.
That's LPG. Thank you so much for joining us, and you have been part of our WGU, really our managing committee. We are really grateful to you, Geeta ma'am. We require your expertise every time. Thank you for the encouragement. Anybody
Thank you.
else? Anybody else would like to say anything? So I think now I request our General Secretary, Honorary Secretary Merlin, to please propose hearty vote of thanks.
Okay. Dear President, dear Chairman of the Study Center, Dr. Prabha, dear President Gauri Chhabria ji, all the participants today who have made this function a great success, that is the teachers and all the children of the Study Center. They have showed us how active participation they have made. Although there is a lockdown, they have evolved through the change and brought light to this program by all their beautiful songs, dances, performances, and all their efforts, joint efforts. I have special thanks to the teachers and Dr. Prabha, and of course Gauri Chhabria, who everybody praises and says that she is instrumental in making them evolve in such a nice manner to make this program a great success. It was a nice and beautiful program to hear all these lovely children, to see their talents on such an Independence Day on the occasion of the Independence Day too. It was a different kind of celebration for Independence Day today, but it was a welcome step towards evolving India in a new generation, for the new generation. That is the motto of our Prime Minister also, and of the country also. And as Dr. Prabha Shah said, that it is the younger generation who have to bring light and bring the name fame to our country. So we are, Women's Graduate Association is taking the steps in all the right directions to empower women and children, to make life better and to make this the world a better place, and to shine the name of our country throughout the world. I also thank the headmistress to grace this occasion, Mrs. Meena Padwal, and I thank the members, Mrs. Sunita Mahajan and the other members who have spoken and shared their feelings and their good words on this occasion. And I thank one and all for being here. Kaustubh, we can't have done this program without him and without his technical help and technical team. So I also raise a hearty thanks to Kaustubh and his technical team for making this program a great success. We shall end this program with the national anthem. So I request all of you to stand and sing the national anthem.
Start.
So,
To
Prabha,
start, teachers.
Yeah.
जय
भारत माता की
माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, Gauri. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you
Prabha.
all.
Thank you, the
And
teachers.
celebrate the day
Thank you.
today. Time for celebration, to celebrate the Independence Day, everybody.
We all
Yes.
thank each and everyone for joining us. Thank you. Thank you, Kaustubh.